Most people over 65 in the United States are struggling with joint pain, loose skin, or both, but almost nobody connects it to collagen loss. If you're noticing sagging skin, deeper wrinkles, or stiff knees when getting up from the chair, this might be your wake-up call. Collagen isn't just a beauty product. It's a survival nutrient for anyone interested in aging well, especially when it comes to senior health and maintaining a healthy body well into your 70s or 80s. If you're focused on healthy senior living or aiming to adopt healthy habits and promote healing, collagen might be the missing piece in your senior lifestyle and nutrition plan. After the age of 25, the human body starts producing less collagen every single year. By the time someone hits 65, they may have lost more than 50% of their natural collagen. That's why so many seniors suffer from fragile skin that bruises easily, joints that feel like rusty hinges, and a general feeling of stiffness and decreased mobility. One of the biggest concerns in elderly wisdom circles is staying active and independent. But how can that happen if every step hurts and your skin is thinning like paper? This is where natural cures like targeted collagen supplementation can change lives, especially when combined with a healthy diet rich in supportive food. There are over 24 types of collagen, but the most critical for senior health are type I, 2, and 3. Type Y is essential for skin elasticity and wound healing. Type 2 is what your cartilage and joints need. Type 3 supports internal organs and skin structure. If you're over 65, you absolutely need these 3 in your daily diet. Collagen isn't just for people who care about beauty, it's for those who want to protect their mobility, strength, and dignity in their later years. That's not vanity, that's survival. People who understand holistic health and health awareness realize this isn't hype, it's critical. But here's what many healthy seniors don't know. Not all collagen supplements are created equal. Some are processed with heat that destroys the peptides. Others come from low-grade sources that barely get absorbed, and some don't include the vital nutrients needed for collagen synthesis, like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and certain amino acids. If you're relying on collagen powder without these essentials, your body can't use it. Imagine buying bricks to build a house but no cement to hold them together. That's how your body treats incomplete supplements. If you're practicing senior wisdom, it's time to get smarter about what you put in your body, especially when your goal is a healthy life filled with strength, confidence, and fewer doctor visits. One supplement that many in the United States swear by is hydrolyzed marine collagen. This type is derived from fish skin and bones and is known for having one of the highest absorption rates. It goes directly to work in rebuilding your skin matrix, restoring hydration, and helping joint cartilage stay supple. Many wise elders and health-conscious individuals are now mixing marine collagen into their morning smoothies or even their coffee. It doesn't change the taste, but may radically change your skin texture and joint mobility within weeks. Testimonials from people in their late 60s and early 70s describe reduced knee stiffness, softer facial lines, and improved flexibility after just 2 months. Imagine going up the stairs without pain again. That's healing in action, supported by natural cures and smart nutrition. Another potent form is collagen from grass-fed bovine sources. This type is packed with type 1 and 3 collagen, excellent for healthy living and keeping your skin firm and your bones strong. Especially for seniors who grew up in the era of meat and potatoes, this kind of supplement can feel more familiar and easier to accept. It's one of the most recommended in the senior health tips given by nutritionists and holistic doctors across Canada, the United Kingdom, and the United States. These products are often combined with MSM, methyl sulfonyl-methane, a sulfur-rich compound that reduces joint inflammation and promotes skin elasticity. If you're dealing with arthritis or just the everyday wear and tear of life after 70, MSM and collagen together can become your go-to daily routine, replacing a cabinet full of pain pills. For seniors suffering from dry, thinning skin, supplementing with collagen that includes hyaluronic acid is another major win. Hyaluronic acid holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. That means it can drastically improve your skin's hydration, reduce crepey texture, and even support your eye health and gums. In senior health, we tend to overlook things like dried eyes or receding gums as inevitable signs of aging. But what if you could change those symptoms through smarter health tips, better diet, and effective home remedies that actually work because they support what your body is trying to do naturally? Then there's collagen blended with vitamin C, which acts as a catalyst for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body literally cannot produce collagen. That's why healthy habits in your 70s must include enough C-rich food like citrus, bell peppers, and strawberries, or supplementation, especially if appetite or digestion has declined. Most seniors in the United States are unknowingly vitamin C deficient, which means even if they are taking collagen, it may not be doing its full job. This is a perfect example of how a lack of health awareness results in wasted effort and delayed healing. If you're serious about mental health awareness and physical strength after 65, make sure your supplement stack includes this crucial pairing. Some collagen powders are also infused with adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha or turmeric. These combinations are gaining popularity in senior lifestyle communities in Australia and the United Kingdom, where people want more than just skin-deep results. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps protect joints and can even improve mental health by reducing brain fog and mood swings. In life after 70, inflammation is the enemy of energy, clarity, and joy. Every flare-up, every stiff joint, every ache is a sign of chronic inflammation. If collagen supplementation can be paired with inflammation-fighting ingredients, the results are amplified dramatically. Then we have multi-collagen blends, products that combine types A, the 2, 3, V, and X, usually sourced from a mix of chicken, fish, bovine, and egg membrane. This is ideal for senior health because each type supports a different tissue: joints, ligaments, skin, bones, and even blood vessels. Multi-collagen supplements are widely recommended by doctors and naturopaths alike for healthy life maintenance after 65, especially if the goal is full-body rejuvenation and holistic health. People often report fewer popping sounds in joints, better sleep, stronger nails, and even regrowth of thinning hair. These results are not overnight, but they're real, and they're driven by real biology, not empty marketing. Eggshell membrane collagen is another supplement gaining traction among healthy senior circles. This type of collagen, often found in joint support formulas, is particularly rich in type X collagen and chondroitin sulfate, making it incredibly powerful for healing cartilage. Especially helpful for seniors who've had injuries, joint replacements, or have early stages of osteoarthritis, this supplement has been shown in clinical trials to reduce joint pain and increase range of motion in as little as 1 month. People describe waking up with less stiffness, being able to play with grandchildren again, or even go back to gardening or walking the dog, simple pleasures that restore dignity and independence in life after 70. Another overlooked but essential part of collagen supplementation is bone broth protein. In the United States, this traditional remedy is becoming a modern-day home remedy among senior wisdom groups and holistic health communities. Bone broth contains collagen, amino acids like glycine and proline, and minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. It's a complete nutrition powerhouse and perfect for anyone with digestive issues, leaky gut, or recovering from illness. If your appetite is low, sipping a warm cup of bone broth can deliver deep nourishment without the need for heavy meals. For healthy living and gut support in elderly wisdom, this option is gentle, effective, and deeply healing. Collagen peptides combined with probiotics is another rising solution, especially powerful for seniors managing not only joint pain but gut-related issues. The gut plays a central role in everything from nutrient absorption to mood regulation and inflammation control. When your digestion is compromised, your whole body suffers, including your ability to synthesize and use collagen. Supplements that combine hydrolyzed collagen peptides with probiotic strains, like Lactobacillus rhamnosus or Bifidobacterium longum, have shown benefits in both skin elasticity and joint recovery. For seniors in the United States dealing with constipation, bloating, or compromised immune function, this dual approach can provide a noticeable shift in vitality. There are elderly individuals who reported that after years of joint pain and a puffy face, their mobility improved and their facial inflammation reduced within 2 months of using these gut-friendly formulations. That is not marketing. Those are reports based on real changes in the body's biochemistry triggered by the right supplementation. One of the most talked about innovations among senior health advocates and wellness-focused communities in Australia and Canada is liquid collagen. Unlike powdered collagen, which needs to be dissolved and digested slowly, liquid collagen is pre-hydrolyzed and rapidly absorbed. This makes it an ideal choice for people with sluggish digestion or those who take multiple medications that interfere with nutrient absorption. Some products also combine this liquid collagen with biotin and zinc, both crucial for healthy skin, hair, and nail integrity. If you've noticed brittle nails or hair thinning after 65, that's your body crying for deeper nourishment. Liquid collagen, despite often costing more, can be worth every dollar when it supports a healthy identity, helps restore confidence, and enhances the quality of life. These are not small wins. These are victories for self-worth and the daily dignity of living pain-free in a senior body. Another significant point is the timing of collagen intake. Research in health and nutrition shows that taking collagen at night, when your body's repair cycle is most active, can boost tissue regeneration. Healing doesn't just happen at the doctor's office. Healing is a natural process the body is always trying to do if it has the right tools. In senior health, especially for those practicing healthy habits and living a mindful senior lifestyle, understanding how to sync supplement timing with biological rhythms can produce more powerful results. Many wise elders in the United Kingdom have adopted this practice, pairing collagen with magnesium or melatonin to support both tissue repair and improved sleep quality. They've reported waking up with less stiffness, more energy, and an overall sense of rejuvenation that no medication has provided. It's not a miracle. It's simply aligning science with the body's natural process. One of the most revolutionary developments in collagen supplementation is collagen with silicon and bamboo extract. Silicon plays a vital role in collagen cross-linking, which means it helps your body create stable, long-lasting collagen fibers. Bamboo extract is one of the richest plant sources of natural silicon and is now found in advanced collagen formulas. This combination has gained popularity among holistic health practitioners in the United States and Canada, especially for those focused on connective tissue strength. Seniors with long-standing injuries, tendon issues, or ligament tears can benefit immensely from this because it enhances tissue integrity from the inside out. You may not see the results immediately, but over the span of 8 to 12 weeks, many report a deep change in how resilient their body feels. Less snapping, less aching, and fewer limitations in movement. That's real healing, driven by a smarter approach to senior health. When choosing the right collagen supplement, seniors must also pay close attention to ingredients that may be harmful or reduce the efficacy of the product. Added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and fillers like maltodextrin or titanium dioxide are still found in cheap collagen supplements, especially those marketed heavily in big box stores in the United States. These additives do not support a healthy body, and for someone after 65 who may already be dealing with diabetes, inflammation, or cardiovascular concerns, they can be downright harmful. Reading labels, understanding what your body needs, and being conscious of the nutrition in your supplement is part of embracing health awareness. It's not just what you take, but what you absorb and what your body can use. That is the core of healthy living and maintaining a strong, capable, independent life after 65. If collagen supplementation is something you're just beginning, it's essential to support your intake with the right food choices. Collagen needs cofactors to work: zinc from pumpkin seeds, copper from cashews or dark chocolate, vitamin C from berries or bell peppers, sulfur from onions and garlic. Without these co-nutrients, you're not building the full foundation. That's why some healthy seniors report only moderate results with collagen. They're missing the supportive diet that makes collagen work. Seniors focused on natural cures, and home remedies often already eat a cleaner, more traditional diet, and they tend to get better results. That's no accident, that's just sound nutritional biochemistry. You must also remember that collagen isn't just for the joints or skin. It's involved in the health of your gut lining, your bones, your gums, and even your heart valves. Seniors suffering from leaky gut, osteoporosis, receding gums, or mitral valve prolapse may all benefit from collagen, not because it's a miracle, but because these tissues are all collagen dependent. Imagine how many surgeries, prescription, drugs, or specialist visits could be avoided with better preventative senior health tips and wiser supplementation. It's something many doctors still fail to address directly. That's why health awareness is often led by the community, by those who've walked the path, experimented, failed, and then found something that actually works. That is the gift of elderly wisdom. Real, tested knowledge shared from one generation to the next. One overlooked area is mental health. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain can erode memory, increase anxiety, and worsen symptoms of depression. Certain amino acids in collagen, like glycine and proline, play a role in neurotransmitter function. That's why seniors who supplement with collagen often report not just better skin and joints, but better focus, more stable mood, and a greater sense of calm. This matters more than most people realize. Mental health awareness is finally becoming part of the senior conversation, and for good reason. A healthy life is not just physical, it's emotional, cognitive, and social. Collagen is not the only tool, but it's a foundational piece when supported by a good diet, stress management, and community connection. The truth is, many seniors, in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia, are waking up to the idea that aging doesn't have to mean falling apart. They're reclaiming their health with knowledge, with the help of holistic health approaches, and with a deep understanding that the body wants to heal if given the chance. Healthy habits like taking the right collagen, eating real food, moving every day, and getting enough sleep can extend not just the years of life, but the life in those years. You don't need to be a biohacker or spend thousands on anti-aging clinics. You just need access to real information and the will to act on it. For many, collagen is the first step toward freedom, from pain, from insecurity, from fear of decline. That's what healthy senior living is about. That's what true senior wisdom looks like.